Alright guys, now that we all have our numbers, we're going to go ahead and start the white elephant. And the first number is 3.
Oh, I'm number 3. Oh, nice. Body lotion for women. Well, I mean, I guess Brittany can use it.
Alright, let's see who's next. Number 1.
I'm number 1. I'm gonna steal the body lotion.
You don't even... That's for women. You don't even have a girlfriend.
I know. I've got chapped elbows.
Alright then, get back up here and pick your prize out.
Oh, man. Socks? Really? Well, at least they're men's socks.
Guess again.
Great. They are women's.
Dude, I hate white elephant gift exchanges. They're the worst.
Alright, looks like 4 is next.
Great, that's me. Time to get some dumb gag gift. Oh my gosh, this is incredible. I thought we had like a $25 limit. Who brought this?
Alright, number 2 is next.
That's me. I'll take the Switch. You've got to be kidding me.
Alright, come pick another one, Billy.
This is the worst.
Sorry, Billy. Those are the rules. You gotta get another gift.
Oh, this is literally just a bag of underwear. And it's used. Who brought this? Oh, you're disgusting. You know that, right? Gosh, I hate white elephants. They're the worst.